Imagine a spring morning without the chirping of birds. Native birds like Silvereyes, powerful owls, and Australian Ringnecks are vanishing from our backyards. Rapid urbanisation and climate-fueled disasters are destroying their habitats. And our largest owl, the powerful owl, is at high risk of dying from secondary poisoning by lethal rodenticides. Even iconic species are struggling in our urban environments. Their populations are declining. But together we can restore urban bird biodiversity. With you by our side, we'll bring back the birdsong, the life and the colour to our backyards. Your donation helps campaign against bird-killing poisons, fund trials of artificial safe havens such as nesting boxes, and save vital habitat like mature hollow-bearing trees and life-giving green corridors. Please, give generously today.